Wix Website Honest Review, Watch Before Using. Links to Wix are available in the description below if you're considering trying it out yourself. Wix is a highly popular website builder known for its user-friendly interface, making it perfect for those with limited technical skills who want a professional-looking website. With its drag-and-drop editor, Wix allows you to create a custom site by simply moving elements around. The platform also offers over 800 templates across a wide range of industries, from e-commerce and blogging to portfolio and service websites. This makes it possible for almost anyone to build an attractive, functional website without needing design experience. One key feature is the Wix App Market, where users can find hundreds of add-ons for extra functionality, including tools for SEO, analytics, social media integration, and booking and payment systems for businesses. For those who want an even faster setup, Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, can create a personalized site based on a few questions about your preferences, generating a ready-to-edit layout in minutes. Wix is best suited for small businesses, freelancers, creatives, and anyone looking for a quick, flexible solution to get online. Although it's packed with features, advanced developers may find it limiting, as it's not open source and has fewer customization options than some platforms like WordPress. Pricing is flexible, with free and paid plans, though the free version includes Wix ads and limited storage, making the premium options better for serious projects. Overall, if you need a straightforward website builder that combines ease of use with solid functionality, Wix is worth considering. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest reviews to help you choose the best tools for your needs. Thank you for watching.